Most business entities know how to promote their products, market their brand, and connect with customers with the effective usage of videos. However, when it comes to using videos internally, businesses tend to have little knowledge, or they haven't yet realized the power of videos fully. In a video enterprise survey conducted by Kaltura, 75% of respondents believe that the integration of video into various company tools, instant messaging, email, social business, etc., would improve business functions in the near future. Following are some of the applications of using internal company videos. 1. Enable engagement with employee onboarding and training. Making use of videos for the onboarding and training process directly reflects into an improved engagement. It becomes much easier for new trainees to learn faster and understand things better with video training sessions. Moreover, it is one of the cost-effective options for providing on-the-job training. 2. Easier and faster recruitment process. Recruiting new talent with the help of videos is an easier and faster process. In addition, video interviews make the recruitment process hassle-free by eliminating the back and forth of scheduling and travel expenses. A survey conducted by Cisco has revealed that 87% of young professionals have a better impression of a company that invests in video integration. They tend to consider such companies for jobs over others. 3. Improves internal communication. Companies that use videos to make certain announcements, convey company initiatives, and carry out regular interactions tend to improve relationships between executives and employees. Around 94% of aspiring executives surveyed by Cisco feel that videos can help in overcoming language barriers. Thus, it's safe to say that video integration improves the quality of internal communication. 4. Video conferencing. When it comes to connecting team members working from various locations, video conferencing and online meetings work best compared to the audio conference call. This becomes very relevant where 92% of millennials prefer remote working and 87% want flexibility with working times, a study by Odesk. Moreover, video conferencing improves the collaboration among colleagues working in different parts of the world. It brings in coordination and boosts productivity. 5. Improves knowledge sharing. Videos are powerful mediums of knowledge sharing as they make concepts easy and engaging. Moreover, video integration enables employees to share knowledge and tutorials effectively. Besides that, sharing this employee-generated content improves learning, boosts creativity, and builds relationships among team members. 6. Build an integrated company culture. By deploying an internal video news portal, companies can ensure that everyone feels connected with the organization. It creates an integrated company culture. It brings together team members on a central platform where they connect well and interact efficiently. 7. Video social network. Video social network enables sharing video content within existing online platforms including corporate portals, content management systems, learning management systems, wikis, blogs, and social business platforms. A standalone video portal, also referred to as a corporate tube, hosts live and on-demand video content. This type of portal fosters social interaction and networking by contributing and sharing videos. Conclusion. This blog has described how internal company videos can boost collaboration and productivity. As an effective communication medium, video help organizations bring in engagement and fosters an integrated company culture. OConnect is a video conferencing software from OnPassive that offers a seamless virtual Connect experience. It comes with multiple features that improve internal communication and provide an easy and better way of staying connected in the virtual world. Thus, start using videos to boost communication and connect better with your employees and customers. A Bill Must production.